Hi boys and girls, we are learning the O sound. O. O for orange. O. And the action for it is to pretend to squeeze a juicy orange. O. 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 Well done. For the formation, we are going to go around the orange. Around the orange. Well done. Have you got your magic finger to give it a try? We're going to go around the orange. Fabulous. Let's have a go at the song, which is to the tune of Five Little Speckled Frogs. Let's squeeze our oranges, oh, 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 oranges. Let's squeeze them right now, yum, yum, yum. Let's squeeze our oranges, oh, 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 oranges. Make juice delicious for our tum.